I know how to build a house. I can buy a piece of land and build an actual house.
I think the biggest thing that I enjoyed was definitely the framing and putting up the walls of the house, the construction of it.
I kind of grew to love this class and do stuff like working with my hands. So this kind of helped me figure out what I want to do.
I'm learning skills that I feel are helpful, more helpful than most of my classes at school. It feels like something that I can actually do.
This program is a capstone course for our students interested in entering the trades. We have 5 high schools, and this year we have about 150 students signed up in our program. Students come off campus to build an actual house from the ground up. So welcome aboard. We're here because Andersen Windows and 84 Lumber wanted to do something special to encourage students to stick with the trades.
Good to have extra hands on it because we got a whole lot of window. So today we're trying to teach all these students everything about the window installation and have them understand too that windows are really an important feature to the home. They got to protect it, handle it properly, install it into the opening. It's a finished product.
We're actually going to put a bead of caulk behind this window on the flashing, all around 3 sides, not the bottom. The students are all very interested, focused. They had a lot of great questions. I wanted to give some of these students a little bit bigger vision to realize that you don't have to stay in the field for your entire career. You can gain some knowledge and bring it into so many other aspects. So working for an 84 Lumber as a sales rep, working for Andersen Windows as a sales rep. There's so many different products and there's so much need. There's just endless opportunity.
It's never too early to start. That's what we're doing with these types of programs. It's important for us to get our name into the community, to let the community know that we're trying to teach our kids, we're trying to teach the young generation, we're trying to give them opportunities as well.
I grew up in an apartment, so I never really got to see a house and how they're built. When we first started, it was just dirt, and then we saw them come pouring the foundation and everything, and then we slowly started building it wall by wall, and then it became this whole house.
An office job just seems like the most boring thing ever for me. I just love being outside, creating something, getting the satisfaction of starting and then seeing the finished product.
Just knowing that we can accomplish that in the school year, the satisfaction is almost unreal.
We would like to thank you guys for all the work you guys have put in on both houses that we guys have built on the north and the south end.
Today we are presenting 5 scholarships to 5 pre-selected students, a tool belt and a cordless drill, and a check for $884.
Michaela wants to do construction management, so this is a great start for her down her path at Bradley University.
I'm really grateful for everybody who helped me in the scholarship and all the stuff I got because I had nothing. So this is a very good base, and I'm really excited to kind of continue my future.
The big message is to keep them interested in the trades and construction. I go out to commercial job sites all the time. We need more bodies out here. We need more trained people to backfill people who are retiring.
Because you have supply and demand on talent, there are a lot of companies that are willing to pay good money and offer great careers and benefits to some of these students that have interest in going to the trades.
The opportunities are endless. We create positions for the right candidates. We're going to give you a real salary, something to live on, something to build a family on, to have your own home, to have your own business if you want so. That's what we do.